welcome to my channel Himanshee's Desk. So today I'll be doing a quick vocab test for you all. So what you have to do is you have to just listen to the sentence which I'm reading out for you. That sentence will be in the form of fill in the blanks, and I'll give you two options which will be shown here. And once I give you an option, I'll give you 3 seconds. I'll count till 3 and you have to choose the correct answer. And once the time stops, I'll give you the correct answer but with an explanation so that it becomes clear in your mind how you have to use these words in future in your day-to-day conversation. I hope you all will play it honestly, so no cheating. Quickly go and grab your pen and notebook, and in the meanwhile, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button if you are new to my channel. So the first sentence is, he left the store about terrible customer service. The first option is muttering and the second option is murmuring. Your time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is, he left the store muttering about terrible customer service. So the muttering word basically means complaining about negative things, and murmuring is neutral. So I have used the word terrible. The catch word here is terrible. So you have to use the word muttering. That means he left the store complaining about negative things or terrible things about the customer service. Coming to the second question, you shouldn't during an interview session. Keep your answers concise. The options are rumble and second option is fumble. Your time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is rumble. Rumble basically means speak unnecessarily. The catch word here is concise. I use the statement keep your answers concise. That means you should not speak unnecessarily. Whereas the word fumble means you are trying to hold something in a nervous or careless way. Coming to the third statement, conditions in the prison were The options are atrocious and admirable. I'll repeat, conditions in the prison were Your time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is conditions in the poor were atrocious. That means they were very bad. They were not pleasant. Whereas admirable means they were pleasant, it was good, it was healthy. But we all know the prison is not a good place to go, and the conditions in the prison were atrocious. They were not good. So you have to get the essence of the statement and accordingly use your word for it. Coming to the next question, army was at station for war situation. Army was at station for war situation. The options are deployed and displaced. Options are deployed and displaced. Your time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is army was deployed at station for war situation. Usually we use the word deployed for army. It means you are putting a bunch of people at one position. Whereas displaced means that I am removing or I am dislocating that thing or people from its actual position. So when we are saying the word deployed, it means placing something systematically and strategically. So the sentence will be like, army was deployed. It was placed strategically at station during war situation. Coming to the next question, the student had the to counter teacher remark. Student had the to counter teacher remark. The options are audacity and the other option is shame. Your time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is the student had the audacity to counter teacher remarks. It means that student had the courage, student had the audacity to counter teacher remarks. The other word is shame, that he is not proud of what he did. So it doesn't go with this sentence. Student had the courage, what he did, to counter the teacher remark. The next statement I have for you is yoga, my inner strength. Yoga, my inner strength. So the options I have is rejuvenated and second option is destroyed. Your time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is yoga rejuvenated my inner strength. So the word rejuvenated means you are bringing something back to life again, whereas destroyed means you are breaking something, you are not using it, you are putting into a bad position or bad state. So what yoga does, it rejuvenates, it brings you to your life again, and here I am using the word inner strength. So yoga has brought your life back, your inner strength back to the life again. Coming to the next question, his good humor was just a The options I have is facade and camouflage. The time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is facade. His good humor was just a facade. So the facade means you are portraying something or somebody and which is not you, whereas camouflage is clothing which hides your inner identity or your true identity. So I am saying his good humor was just a facade. He is portraying something which he is not. You are not hiding anything. He is portraying something or somebody which he is not. Coming to the next statement. The plane was a in the sky. The plane was a in the sky. The options are speck or a hole. The time starts now. 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is the plane was a speck in the sky. So speck means a dot or a mark, and a hole is something a round shape which is not good. So when we say plane was a speck in the sky, that it was so tiny in the sky, so it was just looking like a dot. It was not looking like a hole, it was looking like a dot. So it was the plane was a speck in the sky. So that was all. There were total 10 sentences, and I hope you must have got 7 out of 10 correct answers. Please tell me your scores in the comment section below. And guys, please start practicing these words in your day-to-day conversation, because it will enhance your vocab, and more you practice, it gets registered in your mind. So if there are some few words which you want me to add in the next vocab session, please let me know. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye bye.